Hey guys, here's a real quick tip for going to the grocery store and trying not to touch things. If you don't have gloves or maybe your store has run out of the wipes, um, you can take some of these centers from paper towel holders that everybody has and just cut them right down the middle. Use scissors. And when you go to the grocery store, you can take a couple and just say this is the handle of the buggy. Just slip them right over. You don't have to touch it. Slip it right over. No touching, and squeeze. So now you're going to the grocery store, through the grocery store like this, and you're not touching that handle on the cart that everybody so fears. Same thing when you get over to the frozen food section and the handles on the doors. Pull it off your buggy, slip it onto the door of the freezer, and open and close the door without touching. And then as you're walking out of the store, just toss these. I mean, it's trash. That's one way to get around touching it. Like I said, if you don't have the wipes, or if you're one of these people who believe that using the gloves just transfers germs from one surface to another, just use these little thingies. Hope that's helpful, guys. Okay, guys, take care and be blessed.